He's the mandatory #1 contender, ranked #3 in the world by the Ring magazine, fighting out of Los Angeles, California, Arnold Barboza Jr. The reigning and defending Ring magazine and WBO Junior welterweight champion of the world, the Takeover, TEOFIM0.
Jamel Herring and Christina Poncher on the call here with you. It is our main event.
Right away. Campa fires off the straight right of the zone. Good head movement from Lopez and then two-punch combination, working his way off the ropes. And a sweeping right hand. Fans coming up. Oh! And there is the knockdown scored. Left uppercut, right uppercut, short right drives down. A lot of blood coming from the nose of Campa. Headshot after headshot, short right hand, a beat down.
Glimpses of power. It's just been a little, oh wow. A heavy shot from Barboza puts Silva down for the second time in this fight. He takes out the mouthpiece.
One of my favorite things that Lopez does.
Clubbing right hand.
That does Tatley.
Tatley takes a step back. Left hook, another left hook, and another. Oh, what a body shot that scores the knockdown. Count. Watch for the celebration. Here it comes.
40 pounds, one another, as Barboza served as a sparring partner for Alvarado in the lead-up to Alvarado Marquez. A 5-year pro out of South El Monte, California, the former football player at South El Monte High School as a fullback.
Tying Alvarado up when he gets close, moving him, but also
defending that junior super lightweight NABF championship. Alvarado has won his last on the receiving end. And some combinations by Barboza, and Alvarado lands on his back, and he can't get up. Alvarado grasping for the ropes, and Alvarado is done. Arnold Barboza Jr. defends his title.
Boxer, he's not a big puncher, and that's why he's such a close decisions. He's going to call out a knockdown, and as well he should. It's up to 5 and 6. He'll take the standing 8. Why the matchmakers? Oh, he caught him with a solid. Good refereeing is. Oh man, he gets clipped with that shot. And another one. That's a knockdown. Bell, Lopez went down, just a little flash sort of thing, and off balance. There's a body shot, and 10, it's all over. That's a knockout.
Sismundo is 35-14 in now Japan, but he's also fought Thailand, Mexico. And it's going to be a tough uphill battle for Sismundo against the taller, bigger, it's an intimidating guy.
Yeah, coming forward.
Especially against Mike Alvarado. Big left hook there from Barboza. Taking the onslaught from Barboza. Sismundo eating the punches. Barboza teeing off. Sismundo crouching down.
He wanted this
right hand from Barboza. Sismundo has nowhere to go.
Barboza just keep him back.
Sismundo's corner allow this to go. And there is a knockdown from Barboza. Barboza unanswered. Sismundo trying to escape the fort.
That's it. Just stay for a second, okay?
Tiene físico, tiene corazón y ojalá, insisto, mantenga la humildad que lo va a llevar lejos sin duda.
La dosis de humildad para mí sería importante para que fuera grande y cae al piso.
Tiene depositado en la lona.
Una más y la paro.
Again, Rivas is taller. Oh, big left hand. I don't think he'll get up from that. That was a huge left hand. This fight's all over. Lopez has knocked him out in the second round with a huge...
Hey, show me something. Let me go. Stop. Break. Step back. Stop.
Lomachenko, el gran... Ahora López dice, no. Grande entre los Juegos Olímpicos que participó Teófimo y ahora en su última pelea.
A la altura del cuarto round y sigue el castigo. Yo no sé hasta cuándo va a dejar que esto continúe. Esta tremenda zurda. Finalmente, demasiado tarde. Se demoró mucho. Y aquí está Teófimo.
Knockout still. Undefeated.
In a rematch with both fighters in different places. There is that short left hook by Lopez that sends Comey back here at the start of round 2.
He set it up. He ducked.
Confidence now in McComb, who is willing to stand in front of Barboza Jr. there momentarily and land a nice flurry.
Yeah, but be content with that. You're not going to dominate this guy. It's just the wrong style matchup for you. Just be content in winning round.
20 seconds to go.